Hey besties, welcome to Christy Hub, your #1 space for education, motivation, crypto trading, graphic design, photo editing, video editing, and making money online, all with just your smartphone.
Whether you're a student, hustler, or future boss, this channel is here to equip and inspire you with real skills that change your life. So hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Christy Hub, a place where learning meets with creativity.
This is simply how to use the Suno AI music generator. So when you go to your Google Chrome, you type Suno AI music generator, you click on the first one. Click on the first one and you sign in with your Gmail address, Google Gmail address, or your phone number, whichever one you prefer. So I'm signed in and your own home page will look like this. So when you get to this side of the AI, you click on create. Chatgpt will help you to create a lyric for whatever song you want to do, but for this video I will be making a kid song titled Let's Make a Picture. So after copying your lyric, you go to Suno, where you have describe your song, you touch there, paste it there. So let's paste our song. Custom, you change it to custom, change it from simple. On my screen above, it was on simple before, but you have to change it to custom. So then where you have lyric, you paste your lyrics there. So the style should be kids nursery rhymes. Kids nursery rhyme. The title is Let's Make a Picture. Let's make a picture. All this is necessary because all the music you'll be creating will be in your workspace, so you need to have it there. So once you're done imputing your prompt and adding the style and or the title, you then click on create below your screen. So it's creating. And our song is ready, so let's play it. So after creating your song, you click on this three dots here, the three dots below your screen here. You click on it to download it. You click on download. So once you are done creating your music, you simply tap on the music. So these are music here. These are music. You can choose anyone. Let's make a picture. So you tap on these three dotted line at the front of the music. Tap on it. Now you click on download song. You scroll. Then you click on MP3 download as MP3 audio, and it will be downloaded to your phone. So let's choose MP3 audio. You can download anyway, and it has been downloaded to our phone. You can tap it to open it on your phone. So let's play it.
Let's make a picture. Hey kids, are you ready? Let's make something bright and scary.
So that is the song. It has been downloaded to our phone. So this is simply how to make AI song using Suno AI music generator. There are other music generator, AI music generator you can use. So you can explore, you can ask Chat GPT to recommend other AI music generator to you. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Don't forget that you can create these songs for your school. If you own a school, you can create for your school, you can create for your business, and you can create for your birthday. So you just style it according to what you want and you are good to go. Thank you very much for always engaging with our videos on this channel. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, and see you in the next one. God bless you.